everything else okay.
Okay. It's going to be Lindsay versus my brother, Modern Warfare 2. Let's see what happens. Jonelle, are you on the top or the bottom?
Top.
Okay, Jonelle's on the top, Lindsay's on the bottom. Let's see what happens. I'm all zoomed in. Let's go. Jonelle, don't be mean. Don't go sniper on. Oh, Lindsay wants to be sniper too. Okay, okay.
She's gonna lose. No.
Oh, wow.
What?
Lindsay, I would highly recommend you check your surroundings.
I don't care.
Again, I'd highly recommend you check your surroundings.
I don't care.
What do you mean you don't care? He's like killing you. You ran straight in front of him.
It's not like I'm in game. Put it down.
Okay, it is down.
Are you clean up in there?
Okay, well. One second. It is down. Then you won't be able to hear it.
I'm gonna go pistol style. Let's go.
Okay, he shoots to just a pistol, and you have a freaking sniper over here. You can do this. Are you kidding me? Come on, Lindsay. You can do better than that.
Oh, Caleb. Caleb,
Huh?
look at my screen. Look at my screen.
I'm looking at both your screens.
Teabag, what's up?
Oh my god, how humiliating. He teabagged you. So that's like so humiliating. Okay, that's like the perfect spot. Stay right where you were.
She fell off. Yo, girl, you're a fail.
Okay. How long did you make each game, Jonelle?
8 minutes.
8 minutes? Okay. 8 minutes?
Okay. Okay, watch this.
Well, how many minutes is left? 8 minutes. Now, I didn't say how much is left, so how long you make each game. What?
1, 2, 3.
Ooh. And you randomly threw a grenade. I don't know why, but you did. Care package.
It's a shame.
Okay, well, apparently, Jonelle is it's too much of a challenge for Lindsay. Apparently, she cannot handle him.
No, I just don't say.
Come on.
No, you forget this. I'm gonna just camp.
Okay, look, he's gonna camp, okay? You can't mess up now. He's gonna just sit there and camp. And you have a sniper. Use it.
Lindsay, don't make me come over there and use that controller to drop the clip.
Okay, you know what? I'm taking over.
Nope.
Yes, yes I am.